All right, guys, time to do another Series 2 football helmet from Hit Parade. So this is box 41 out of 100. Still looking for that Brady. But there's some other names as well. Elway's in this, Joe Montana. There are some huge names. And I think we've got four or five more boxes to pull some of those out of here. So box 41 out of 100. Here's the rundown for this break. We got Arturo. You've got the Colts and the Dolphins. Brian G with the Bengals and Chargers. Gary, you've got the Ravens and the Texans. Jason B with the Panthers, Chiefs, and Raiders. Jeff M with the Bills and Lions. John W with the Eagles, Seahawks, and Bucks. Johnny B. Cool, you've got the Cowboys. Justin E with the Browns. Rico with the LA Rams. Ronald, you've got the Broncos, the Packers. Picked up the Patriots, hoping for that Brady. Giants, Steelers, 49ers, and Titans. Ryan T. Tez has got the Cardinals, Falcons, Jags, and Vikings. Sean G with the Bears and Jets. And then Schuler had the Saints. Didn't get payment from you on that. So second break in a row that whoever got the Saints did not pay. And then I hang on to the Redskins, hoping for that Jordan Reed. All right, so got a little more room to work here, so I can show you everything's sealed up, shrink wrapped on the bottom, nice and tight. And let's pull this Brady out of here. So in 2 weeks, I've got, we'll be breaking Series 2 and Series 3. All right, here we go. Oh, no way. Saints guy didn't pay, and we pulled a Saints one. And what do we have? Oh, dude, this is an Archie Manning. Are you kidding me? Saints owner going to be killing himself. Unbelievable. What a hit. Got the padding a little bit messed up on that. This is a Steiner certified. There's the C of A. Saints replica throwback helmet. Holy cow. All the guy had to do was pay $5. So yeah, Steiner sticker on the back. Dude, what a pull. I don't know what those things are worth. I'd imagine that's gotta be worth a little bit. Alright, so in case you wondered, there's proof that it is Archie Manning. Pretty clear to see that from the auto. Dale will give me 6 for it. Dang. So I don't even think he was listed on the checklist, man. Crazy. All right, so that'll do it for Series 2. Dang. Appreciate you guys joining us. Like I said, I got 4 or 5 more that we'll be breaking. So appreciate you guys joining us.